मदले सुवातेर आक्रमक खेळ करपाचो म्हजो यत्न आसा. नवे सुवातेर हांव खेळाचो आनंद घेता अशें म्हणत एड्यू बेगीनच खेळा मैदानार येतलो अशी आस्तय फेर्रान कोरोमिनासान उक्तायली. फकत आपल्याकच न्हू जाल्यार पंगडातल्या दर एक खेळगड्याक ताच्या गैरहजेरीची जाणीव जाता अशें ताचें म्हणणें.
बेंगळुरू FC आड जाल्ले मॅची उपरांत कोरो गोवा 365 कडेन उलयतालो. हे मॅचीत FC गोवा पंगडान बेंगळुरू FC 1-1 गोलान बरोबरीन आडायलो.
It's difficult for us because Bengaluru have good players, quality players, good team. And first half, Bengaluru take the ball, keep the ball, and for us is difficult. But when Bengaluru score, I think FC Goa change and go more in front and create different chance. I try to play attacking midfield. I want always help the team. And yes, I like this position, but I try my best for the team. The team is the most important.
Both coach from Barcelona, they know each other, so all the players we have to follow from the coaches. So we all know we know each other. So as a team, and they know us. So it's a it's a aggressive game, and they are a good attacking side, and we are the defensive. If you want to play aggressive, always there will be card, and we have to we want to win every ball. So I think that's the reason it's a card.
फातोड्डा स्टेडियमा वयल्यान खबराकार क्लिंटन डिसोजा आनी व्हिडिओ पत्रकार श्याम चारी.